Hi everybody, welcome to week 4, module 4. Today you're going to be learning about acting and speaking with courage. So part of the duty category, honor, duty, and respect. So take a look at the background material. We've got a discussion assignment and an individual written assignment. So your discussion, I go down to the bottom here, read through the module, watch the video clip, and then consider Kidder's definition and types of moral courage. What might the two types of moral courage look like for you? So again, respond, share your post and respond to two others. And then the individual assignment is asking you to based on what you've learned about those two types of moral courage, choose one or both and apply to one of the videos. It's a Wonderful Life, Hidden Figures, and submit your individual assignment here. So hope you are learning and reflecting on your own leadership approach, and I look forward to reading your responses. Have a good week.